Hi, my name is Emil Victor, and I'm one of the founders of Pitot.io. This is just a quick introductory video to get you started with the site. Pitot is a platform that allows you to log your travel. It gives you nice route maps. It allows you to search for airlines and aircraft and airports around the world and get a whole bunch of information on all those things. So the first step is to just sign in. You can sign in with Facebook, or you can sign in, via the standard approach of email and password. You'll see at the top of the page you've got a menu that gives you access to a whole bunch of information. You can see your own flight history, which is sortable and searchable by date, distance, time, etc. You can have statistics. These will appear after you've collected a fair bit of information. So the first few flights, you won't see this, but it will appear after that. I've got my own travel map. Now this can be this can be filtered either by frequency colors. So you can see the colors which are deeper reds, more regularly traveled. You'll see a dark red between Brisbane and Sydney where I live. I can also have a look at this with the airline colours, so you'll see the reds of Qantas and Emirates and Finnair up here. Of course, I'm not the most travelled person on this website, unfortunately, and I'll show you a few of them soon. You got the frequent flyer programs. You can record frequent flyer numbers for every single airline that you go on. We've got leaderboards. So these leaderboards are just the site-wide ones. You can click into any user who's made their map available. Wait for it to load. Here we go. So this is the best example of those frequency colors. Obviously, with me, I don't fly as much as this guy, so yeah, you can see between I think that's Melbourne and Hong Kong. He's got quite a bit of travel under his sleeves. Loading. And the airline colors. Distance traveled, same thing. Airlines. We have leaderboards for airlines. We rank them. We have charts. It's wonderful. Now, for every airline that we have on this system, we try to keep a regular or regularly updated logo for that airline. So you'll notice that all of these major ones have nice logos. You can click into an airline, you can see where it flies. You can tell that this is a pretty Australia-centric app right now. I can click on an airport and I can see what flies out of that airport, and then I can click on any of the individual flights and I can see which flight that actually is. Click into it and see exactly where it went. Going right, I've got the statistics for the entire website. Just a nice breakdown. You can also search for aircraft registrations. That isn't, it's for the most hardcore of plane spotters, but it's a nice feature. If you want a really quick introduction to that, you'd always click on this, find one of the most popular aircraft, and you can actually see where that aircraft's been based on all of the Pitot users around the world recording it. Airport, airline, search, down to groups. So we have groups. You can join groups. They allow you to talk amongst people like you. There might be a group full of people in your country. You can also see individual leaderboards just for that group. So that kind of lets you drill down a little bit to the people that you know. Settings, yay, fun. Importers. So if you use Flight Diary or Open Flights, this might be a very, very good option for you if you've already got hundreds of flights imported. I've been working on this quite hard, so they work fairly well. You can always import them, and if that fails, you can go to your options.